Damages refers to money awarded by a court to a plaintiff for injury or loss caused by the defendant. Types of damages include the following: compensatory damages, intended to make good or replace the loss suffered; consequential damages, when there is a breach of contract by a seller and a buyer suffers losses from unfulfilled requirements that the seller knew of, or should have known of, when the contract was agreed to; general damages, a type of compensatory damages related to non-monetary losses, covering pain and suffering; shortened life expectancy, loss of companionship, and loss of reputation; incidental damages, when there is a breach of contract by a seller; nominal damages, an insignificant amount awarded when a defendant has violated the rights of the plaintiff, but no monetary loss has been suffered or can be proved; punitive damages, awarded in addition to compensatory damages to the victim of willful or malicious misconduct; special damages, awarded to cover the winning party's out-of-pocket costs; statutory damages, required by statutory law; and treble damages, the actual damages determined by a judge or jury, multiplied by 3 to punish the wrongdoer and to serve as an example.